Students, let us start our chapter 4th related exercise 4.6 question 13th of NCERT. Topic's name is determinants. See, here it is a system of equations which we have to solve by matrix method. Here equations are given in this manner: 2x plus 3y plus 3z is equal to 5 and x minus 2y plus z is equal to minus 4 and 3x minus y minus 2z is equal to 3. So first of all, let me explain you that A is which matrix? It is C, 2, 3 and 3. Coefficients of x, y and z from first equation, coefficients of x, y and z from second equation, and coefficients of x, y, z from third equation. This is known as matrix A. Now x is equal to x, y, z and b is equal to 5 minus 4 and 3. If we want to solve this by matrix method, then it is given in this form. You see, ax is equal to b. Concentrate here. 2x plus 3y plus 3z is equal to 5. 1x minus 2y plus 1z is equal to minus 4 and 3x minus 1y minus 2z is equal to 3. In this manner the equation is given. So ax is equal to b means what? X is equal to a inverse b. This is required. So we have to find a inverse here. Let it assign equation 1. So for a inverse, first of all, find determinant a. Determinant a means it is this: 2, 3, 3, 1 minus 2, 1 and 3 minus 1 minus 2. So it will be equal to, determinant a is equal to what? 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, 4, minus minus plus 1, because here it is minus. So 1 into 1. Minus 3 into means this row and this column will be eliminated. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 and minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 and then plus 3 into what? This row and this column will be eliminated. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 and then minus into minus plus, formula minus and this minus will become plus. 3 2s are 6. So it will be determinant a is equal to, directly I am writing, see, 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. It is also positive 15 because it is minus 5. Minus 5 into minus 3 is plus 15. So 15 plus 10, that is 25 and 5 3s are 15. 25 and 15, that is 40. All are positive. This minus and that minus will also positive. This 6 minus 1 is 5, 5 3s are 15. So 15 plus 10, that is 40. So determinant a is equal to 40. Now let us find out C11, C12, C13 like that. So C11 is equal to what? Minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 1 and here it is C11 means minus 2 1 and then minus 1 minus 2. So it will be equal to 1 into 4 plus 1, that is equal to 5. Now C12. C12 is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 means first row, second column will be eliminated. So it will be 1 1 and 3 minus 2. 1 1 and 3 minus 2. So what we will get? Here it is minus 1, of course, because minus 1 raised to the power odd power. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, minus 2 minus 3. That is minus 5 and minus minus plus. So it will be positive 5. Now C13. C13 is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 3. And here in matrix, in determinant, first row and third column will be eliminated. 1 minus 2 and 3 minus 1. 1 minus 2 and 3 minus 1. So what we will get here? We will get positive 1 because minus 1 raised to the power 4. It is even power, so that's why it is 1. And then 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Minus minus plus 6. That is also equal to 5 only. Now C21. So let us find out C21 now. So it will be C21 is equal to what? Minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus 1. And in determinant, what is there? See, C21 means 3, 3, minus 1, minus 2. 3, 3, minus 1, minus 2. So it will be equal to minus 1 and then in bracket minus 6 plus 3. That is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 1, that is plus 3. So it will be positive 3, C21. Now C22. C22 is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus 2. And in determinant, what we have to write? 2, 2 means what? Second row and second column will be eliminated. So 2, 3, 3 minus 2. 2, 3 and 3 minus 2. So it will be equal to positive 1 because minus 1 raised to the power 4, which is even number. So it is positive 1. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Minus 4 minus 9, that is minus 30. Now C31. C31 is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 3 plus 1. Sorry, C23 it is. 23 is remaining. C23 is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus 3. And in determinant, second row and third column will be eliminated. So 2, 3, 3 minus 1. 2, 3 and 3 minus 1. So it will be equal to minus 1 and then in bracket minus 2 minus 9. So it will be minus 11 into minus 1. That is equal to plus 11. Now C31. C31 is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 3 plus 1. And then in determinant, third row first column will be eliminated. 3, 3 and minus 2, 1. 3, 3 and minus 2, 1. Now it is positive 1 because it is 3 plus 1, that is 4, which is even number, so it is positive 1. 3 1 are 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6, that is 9. So it will be written as it is. Now C32. C32 is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 3 plus 2. And then in determinant, what we have to write? Third row and second column will be eliminated. Third row and second column will be eliminated. Means 2, 3, 1, 1. 2, 3, 1, 1. 2, 3. See, third row and second column will be eliminated. 2, 3 and 1, 1. 1, 1. So it will be equal to minus 1 because here it is odd power. 3 plus 2 is 5. So minus 1 and then 2 minus 3. So it will be positive 1. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1. And C33. So it will be equal to minus 1 raised to the power 3 plus 3. And then in determinant, what will be there? Third row, third column will be eliminated. 2, 3, 1 minus 2. 2, 3, 1 and minus 2. So here it will be positive 1 and 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Then minus 3. So it will be negative 7. Now what we have to find? We have to find adjoint of A. So for this, C we have to write, that is equal to C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, and C31, C32, C33. That is equal to what? See, 5, 5, 5 in first row. 5, 5, 5. In second row, what it is? 3 minus 13, 11. 3 minus 13 and 11. In third row, 9, 1 minus 7. 9, 1 minus 7. Now, adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is equal to what? Adjoint of A is equal to C dash. That is equal to this 5, 5, 5, 5 will be written in column here. 3 minus 13 in second column. 3 minus 13 and 11. And now 9, 1 minus 7 is in third column. Now we have to find A inverse. So A inverse is equal to what? That is equal to adjoint of A upon determinant A, which is equal to 1 upon 40. And then 5, 5, 5. 3 minus 13 and 11. And now 9, 1 minus 7. Now what we have to do? Now we have to multiply A inverse by B. This A inverse is multiplied by B here. for getting the value of x, y, z. So finally we can say that x is equal to A inverse B. A inverse B means what? X, y, z is equal to 1 by 40. A inverse value 1 by 40 into 539, and then 5 minus 13, and then 1. Now lastly it is 511 minus 7. 511 minus 7. And what is the value of B? See, value of B, here it is 5 minus 4, 3. So 5 minus 4, 3, here we have to write. Now let us multiply it. X, y, z. Here it is 1 by 40. And then this should be multiplied. See, 5 5 are 25. 3 4 are 12, so minus 12, because here it is minus sign, and 9 3 are 27. Here it is 5 5 are 25, and then minus 13 into minus 4, that is plus 52, and then plus 3. 1 3 are 3. Now 5 5 are 25 again, minus 44, and then plus, sorry, minus 21. This matrix is closed. Now x, y, z is equal to what? See, 27 and 25, 52. 52 minus 12. 52 minus 12 is 40. So here it is 1 upon 40 into, here it is 40. Okay. 25 and 3, 28. 28 and 2, 30. 30 and 50, 80. So it will be 80. And now here it is 24 and 21. That is 45, 65, 65. 25 minus 65. 25 minus 65 means minus 40. So what are values of x, y, z? It is very clear from here that x is equal to what? 40 upon 40, that is 1. Y is equal to what? 80 upon 40, that is 2. And z is equal to what? Minus 40 upon 40, that is minus 1. Now let us check the answer. Our answer is correct or not. You may put value here. It is 2 into 1, that is 2. And 3 into 2, that is 6. So 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 minus 3, that is 5. So our answer is correct. These are our answers. And this question number 13th is now over.